Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hope you are fine. Countdown, Book 2, page number 69. 16th July 2020, Thursday. Solve these word problems. There are 6 flower pots. Each flower pot has 4 flowers. How many flowers are there altogether? Ones, tens. Sign of multiplication. For solving this sum, we must know tables. 4. We can read the table of 4 and we can read the table of 6. Now we are reading table of 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. Write 4 under 1s and 2 under 10s. B. Aslam has 8 balls with 7 goldfish in each ball. How many fish are there altogether? When we solve the question, first we will underline the digits. Here 8 and 7. Write here ones, tens. What is the first digit? 8. Write here 8 under ones, then 7. Sign of multiplication, we will read tables. Table of 8 we can read, or table of 7 we can read. We are reading the table of 7. 7 8s are 56. 50, we will write 5 under 10s and then 6 under 1s. 7 8s are 56. C. 7 jackets are hanging in a shop. Each jacket has 6 buttons. How many buttons in all? Underline. Write 7 multiply by 6. Write under 1s. Read table of 6. 6 7s are 42. Write 2 under 1s and 4 under 10s. D. There are 8 buns in a packet. Rehan buys 4 packets. How many buns does he buy? First, underline the digits. Write here. Read table of 4. 4 8s are, and student, you will solve it by yourself. E. 7 leopards are climbing a tree. How many legs altogether? 7 leopards. Underline 7. Are climbing a tree. How many legs altogether? How many legs? Leopard has 2 legs. How many legs it has? 2. So, write here ones, tens, 7, multiply by 2, read table of 2. 2 7s are 14. The answer is 1 4 14. F. 8 6 4 9. Multiply the greatest number by the smaller number. Greatest number. What is the greatest number here? Yes, 9. By the smallest number. And which is the smallest number? 4. We will multiply 4 by 9. Ones, tens. Greatest 9 multiply by 4. Read table of 4. 4 9s are 36. Write 6 under 1s and 3 under 10s. The answer is 36. Page number 70. Write date and day at the top of the page. Multiplication of tens and ones. There are 12 dots on each clock. How many dots altogether? Remember, when altogether is written, we will count all dots. These are 12 dots. And how many clocks are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Adil can add 12 dots plus 12 dots plus 12 dots plus 12 dots 4 times. He is adding 12 is equal to 48 dots. Total dots, how many total dots are here? 48. 4 clocks, 48 dots. Instead of counting the dots, Adil wants to multiply to get the answer. It is quicker to multiply. He writes like this. Step 1. First he multiply the ones. 4 multiply 2 is equal to 2 multiply by 4 is equal to 8. Same, 2 4s are 8 and 4 2s are 8. Ones, tens, 12 dots, 4 clocks, 4 2s are 8 or 2 4s are 8. Step 2. Next, he multiplies tens. First he multiplies ones, then he multiplies tens. 4 plus 1 is equal to 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4. 4 ones are 4, 1 fours are 4. Remember, 4 multiplied by 12 is the same as 12 multiplied by 4. From both tables, we will get the same answer. Adil has 48 dots altogether. Remember, multiplication is simple and quick, but you must know your tables. Page number 71. 16 July, Thursday. Multiplication of tens and ones. Follow Adil's steps and complete these. Ones, tens. 11 multiply by 6. First we will solve ones column. 6 ones are 6. Now here 6 ones are 6. 66. Write 6 under ones and write 6 under tens. The answer is 66. E. Ones, tens, start from one side. 28 multiply by 0. This is a sign of multiplication. Here is 0. 0 multiplied by any number is always 0. 0 8s are 0. First solve it, then solve it. 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. The answer is 0. Ones, tens, 13 multiply by 2. Read table of 2. 2 3s are 6. We are solving ones column. 2 3s are 6. First we will solve it. Then we read table of 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. The answer is 26. D. Ones, tens, 32 multiply by 3. First solve ones column. Start from right side. Read table of 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Then 3. Read table of 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. The answer is 96. G, H. Do these sums by yourself. Now complete these. A. Ones, tens. Start from right side. 5 0 0. 5 ones are 5. And we can read the table of 5. 5 tens are 50. 0 we will write under ones and 5 under tens. E. Ones, tens, sign of multiplication. In this sign we will read tables. Table of 9. 9 zeros. If we multiply any digit with 0, the answer is 0. 9 0. Zeros are 0. 9 ones are 9. And we can do it like this. 9 tens are 90. 0 under ones, 9 under tens. Ones, tens. 7 zeros are 0. 7 ones are 7. And we can read table of 7. 7 tens are 70. 7 tens are 70. 0 we will write under ones and 7 under tens. Answer is 70. H. Ones, tens. Start from one side. 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. 0 tens are 0. 0 zeros are 0. And 0 ones are 0. The answer is 0. Thank you.